Manipur observed August 13, Patriots Day, with full state honors by paying respects to the monuments of Brigadier General Hicham Yai Champat and Thangal General at Palace Compound today. The solemn occasion saw the presence of Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla, Chief Secretary Puneet Kumar Goel, DGP Rajiv Singh, ex-Chief Minister Nongthom Bombirin, and other MLAs, along with top officials of Manipur police and administration. Floral tributes and gun salute echoed the venue as people from all walks of life honored the brave forefathers who sacrificed for the freedom of Manipur. Speaking on the occasion, ex-Chief Minister Nongthom Bombirin expressed gratitude at the governor-led PR administration on auspiciously observing the historic day while recalling the bravery and courage of our ancestors and stressed the need for unity among all.
Mighty British ki Mayokta, Mighty ke dikhang na thangna British ki Mayokta land ke na ki wadu ba atho wai pai kusi Yuvraj Dikendra ji General General Fauna Bangladesh simba Sirai Naga Maharaj Kulasandra umna mangna Manipur ima kathomba engna ki wadu blinching wai na si pangtho gi ba Academy si ka dai le nai mayam da adu mai pai kusi na thamamba ambiramba lamdam se koi amato na punsun laga politically rajniti gi oiba kalgi oiba pamage khanaba ideology mayam am lerega so laibak ri suda amato na punsun laga ima laibak se bo kan mangam na ba duga inna chingna koi punna nungsi chanana leiba namna ba honna mina da program mayam na gai asiri mista sajong nejari uji mak popular government later so koi MLAs ama matam da koi honorable governors laiba bureaucrat officers in koi contact or kan koi honna ba ya ba laibak se sandi korona ba koi honorary